Today, we're talking about the most powerful oil on the planet, castor oil. And trust me, it's way more than just a beauty hack. From boosting hair growth to improving digestion, this oil is packed with benefits that can upgrade your wellness routine in no time. Stick around as we break down the top 10 uses and benefits of castor oil that you need to know. Get ready to be amazed by what this natural wonder can do. Let's jump in. 1. Hair growth and thickness. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a type of omega-9 fatty acid that helps boost blood circulation to the scalp. By improving blood flow, castor oil ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which stimulates faster hair growth. Applying castor oil to the scalp helps nourish and moisturize it, preventing dryness, flakiness, and dandruff, issues that can stunt hair growth. A healthy, moisturized scalp provides the ideal environment for hair to grow strong and healthy. The oil's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties protect the scalp from infections or irritations that can hinder hair growth. With consistent use, castor oil can stimulate dormant hair follicles, encouraging the growth of new hair. Over time, this leads to denser, thicker-looking hair, especially in areas where hair thinning might be more noticeable. Castor oil's thick, viscous texture helps to seal in moisture in each strand, preventing hair from drying out. Hydrated hair is less likely to become brittle, and moisturized hair looks fuller and feels thicker. Warm a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into your scalp. This helps stimulate blood flow while nourishing the roots. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out with shampoo. For best results, use castor oil 2 or 3 times a week. Regular use will lead to healthier, stronger, and thicker hair over time. In summary, castor oil promotes hair growth by increasing scalp circulation, nourishing follicles, and protecting against bacteria. It also thickens hair by strengthening strands, retaining moisture, and stimulating new hair growth. Add it to your routine, and your hair will thank you. 2. Constipation. Castor oil is known for its potent laxative properties. The key component, ricinoleic acid, gets absorbed in the intestine, where it stimulates the muscles in your bowels. This increases the movement in the intestines, which helps clear the digestive tract and relieve constipation. When taken in small doses, castor oil encourages bowel movements by promoting the contraction of the muscles in the intestines. This helps to push stool through the colon and out of the body. Castor oil typically works within 2 to 6 hours of consumption, making it one of the faster-acting natural remedies for constipation. Just be cautious, as it's strong, so only a small amount is needed. Generally, adults can take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Mix it with a glass of juice or water to make it easier to consume. If you're looking for quick, natural relief from constipation, castor oil can definitely help, but always be mindful of the proper dosage. 3. Helps with insomnia. Castor oil possesses calming properties that promote relaxation, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Its soothing texture, when applied topically, can help ease tension in the muscles and promote a sense of tranquility, which is key for falling asleep faster. When castor oil is massaged onto pressure points, like the soles of the feet or temples, it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural rest and digest mode. This helps calm racing thoughts, slow down a stressed mind, and create the perfect mental environment for restful sleep. Castor oil is known for its effect on balancing hormones, particularly by supporting the body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. By helping balance cortisol levels, castor oil allows your body to naturally transition into a state conducive to deep, restful sleep. Applying castor oil before bed not only deeply moisturizes the skin but also works as an effective base for aromatherapy. Digestive discomfort can often lead to restlessness at night. Castor oil's mild laxative effect can help ease digestion, reducing bloating or discomfort, and allowing you to sleep through the night without interruption. Gently massage castor oil onto the soles of your feet before bed. For extra relaxation, slip on socks and let the oil work overnight. In summary, castor oil acts like a natural sleep enhancer, working on multiple levels. By integrating castor oil into your nighttime routine, You're creating a serene pathway to deep, restorative sleep. 4. Reduce inflammation and pain. Castor oil is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective remedy for relieving joint pain and muscle soreness. Castor oil acts as a natural pain reliever without the side effects that come with many over-the-counter medications. The main component of castor oil, ricinoleic acid, has strong anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to aching joints or sore muscles, it penetrates deep into the tissues, reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. Massaging castor oil onto the affected area can increase blood flow and circulation, which further helps reduce swelling and stiffness in the joints. Warm up a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it onto the painful joints or muscles. Cover the area with a warm cloth or heating pad to enhance absorption and relaxation. You can also use castor oil packs for more intense relief. Apply castor oil to a cloth, place it on the affected area, and cover with a heating pad for 20-30 minutes. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle strain, or general joint pain, castor oil can be a natural solution to help reduce inflammation and promote healing. 5. Gut health. Castor oil helps detoxify the digestive system by promoting the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. This can help cleanse the intestines and improve overall gut health. Castor oil acts as a natural laxative. By promoting regular bowel movements, it helps maintain a healthy digestive system and prevents issues like constipation and bloating. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help soothe the intestinal lining. This is beneficial for individuals with inflammatory bowel conditions, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Moderate use of castor oil encourages regularity in bowel movements. This prevents the buildup of toxins in the intestines and reduces the risk of gastrointestinal issues. For digestive health, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil mixed with a glass of water or juice. It's best to use it in the morning to help kickstart your digestive system. By boosting digestion and relieving constipation, castor oil helps promote a healthier gut. Your digestive system will thank you. 6. Fungal infections. Castor oil has natural antifungal properties. This helps inhibit the growth of fungi by creating an environment that is hostile to fungal organisms, thereby assisting in the treatment of fungal infections. A common fungal infection of the feet, characterized by itching, burning, and peeling skin. Fungal infections often cause itching and discomfort. Castor oil has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that help alleviate these symptoms, providing relief to irritated skin. The oil's moisturizing and nourishing effects help to repair damaged skin and promote faster healing of infected areas. A contagious fungal infection that causes ring-shaped rashes on the skin. By keeping the affected skin hydrated, castor oil supports the skin's natural healing processes. Apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area, gently massaging it in. Repeat this 1 to 2 times daily. This protective layer helps in managing and controlling the infection. By using castor oil, you can leverage its antifungal properties to manage and treat various fungal infections naturally and effectively. 7. Reduces acne scarring. Castor oil has antibacterial properties that help to combat acne-causing bacteria on the skin. By reducing bacterial growth, castor oil helps prevent new pimples from forming. Castor oil acts as a natural cleanser that can help unclog pores. It dissolves excess sebum, oil, and removes impurities from the skin, reducing the likelihood of clogged pores and acne outbreaks. Castor oil has potent anti-inflammatory properties. This helps to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation associated with acne, making breakouts less noticeable and less painful. Unlike some treatments that can dry out the skin, castor oil provides deep moisturization while balancing the skin's oil production. In addition to treating current acne, castor oil helps in healing and reducing the appearance of acne scars. Its nourishing properties promote skin regeneration and repair, leading to a smoother, more even complexion over time. Mix a few drops of castor oil with a mild cleanser and use it to wash your face, or incorporate it into your regular skincare routine as a cleansing oil. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, you can leverage its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to help reduce acne and promote clearer, healthier skin. 8. Improves lymphatic function. The lymphatic system is crucial to the body's immune function, as it helps transport white blood cells throughout the body to fight infections. Castor oil helps to stimulate the lymphatic system, which promotes the drainage of toxins and supports the proper functioning of the immune system. Castor oil increases the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that are essential for fighting off infections. These cells are responsible for attacking viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens, making your immune system stronger. By promoting the detoxification of waste and toxins through the lymphatic system, castor oil helps to relieve the immune system from the burden of eliminating harmful substances and maintaining overall health. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil help reduce inflammation in the body, making it easier for the immune system to function effectively without being overwhelmed by constant inflammation. Incorporating castor oil into your routine can help enhance your body's natural defenses by boosting lymphatic function, supporting detoxification, and reducing inflammation, ultimately promoting a stronger immune system. 9. Heal wands. Castor oil creates a protective barrier. When applied to wands, castor oil forms a protective layer over the area, keeping it moist and protecting it from external bacteria or dirt that could slow healing or cause infections. Castor oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, castor oil helps minimize swelling and redness around the wand, allowing for faster recovery. Stimulates tissue growth. Castor oil promotes the growth of new, healthy tissue, a process called epithelialization. This accelerates the healing process by helping to regenerate damaged skin and reduce the risk of scarring. Keeps the wand moist. Moisture is key to faster healing. Castor oil's thick, nourishing texture locks in moisture, which prevents the wand from drying out and scabbing prematurely. This promotes smoother healing and helps reduce scar formation. Clean the wand thoroughly and then apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area. Cover it with a clean bandage to keep it protected. Reapply the oil and change the bandage daily to keep the wand clean and allow the healing properties of the oil to take effect. In summary, castor oil speeds up wand healing by reducing inflammation, preventing infection, and promoting the growth of healthy new tissue. It's a natural and effective way to treat minor cuts, burns, and scrapes. 10. Anti-aging. Castor oil is packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By neutralizing these free radicals, castor oil helps protect the skin from premature aging. The fatty acids in castor oil support the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. Collagen and elastin are essential proteins that keep the skin firm, plump, and youthful. By boosting their production, castor oil helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Castor oil's rich, emollient properties deeply hydrate the skin, maintaining moisture levels and preventing dryness. Well-hydrated skin looks more youthful and smooth, reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil can help even out skin tone by reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Its hydrating and healing properties support a more uniform complexion, contributing to a youthful glow. Apply castor oil as a night serum, allowing it to penetrate deeply and work its magic overnight. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, you're harnessing its anti-aging properties to maintain a youthful, radiant complexion and combat the signs of aging naturally. And that's a wrap, everyone. Now you know the top 10 most powerful benefits of castor oil that can totally transform your health and beauty routine. Whether it's boosting hair growth, moisturizing your skin, constipation, insomnia, or even improving digestion with reducing joints inflammation, castor oil truly is a game changer. So, if you haven't already, give it a try and see the magic for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on more natural wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.